Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group rows in Excel. So let's try. Let's say I want to group these 10 rows. So what I'll do is just go to this data tab, select the rows I want to group first, and then go to this data tab and come to this group option and click on group. And here you can see there is a marker which is the uh, marker of groups. This is a group. You can make changes from here, no problem. But if you want to if you don't want to show it or make it hidden, then just click on this little minus button and it will be hidden. As you can see, they are hidden. If you scroll over it, it won't show you. But yes, if you again click on the plus icon, it will be shown again. So this is how you can group your rows in Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.